Good Monday morning, your Loudoun County weather outlook. Start off really nice, beautiful day outside. Pollen count is very, very high, but it's a nice day. The winds are down. It's just going to be a lovely day. Not a day you want to be at work, but a day you want to be outside. So get outside for lunch or whatever else. As the day heads on, it's just going to be a beautiful day overall. Not much wind or anything really around today. We warm up even more tomorrow, but whoa, this thing really... I bounced way out. Sorry about that. So we warm up some tomorrow as we get strong southerly winds here around this high. That's giving us a nice weather today. It was kind of cool overnight, but really nice today. Very strong southwesterly winds as we go into tomorrow. And that's going to up both the humidity as well as the temperature into the 80s. Then we're just going to be kind of weirdly unsettled for the several days here this week as we kind of battle between this high to the south and a high to the north. And because of that, we get in unsettled weather, but not serious amounts of rain by any means. Just a lot of cloudiness around and a few showers here and then, and now and then, whatever, till Thursday into Friday when a front is going to come through, and this could really change the weather overall to a much cooler pattern. And we got to hope that this situation comes together well for Saturday, maybe even better than what we're seeing here. So we get some rain out of the system, and then it's going to get kind of chilly, and then maybe even some more rain. And the European is even wetter than what the GFS here is showing. But winds are staying more out of the north than they are out of any of the south. So as we go into the following week, I'm not saying it's cold. I'm just saying it's going to be cooler and maybe a little bit of damp and cold air off the ocean too, as we got this high to the north and low over the northeast, kind of trapping the cooler air here along the east coast. Not cold, just cooler as we go into the latter part of that time. But you saw, in all, not a lot of moisture. So let's just see what the model shows as total output for rain over this time period. I'm just going to show you. So maybe, up to an inch or so. So it's not terrible. We'll have to see. But again, it's been kind of weird and a little bit unorganized. It's that one low next Saturday that we got to hope that potentially could bring us a lot more rain. I know it's bad for sports, but it is good for helping us with our overall drought. But here's what I want to look at. So yeah, we start off with kind of below normal. Below normal here in temperatures. And we warm up tomorrow pretty significantly. So there's Tuesday into Wednesday and Thursday. But here's that front trying to sag into the region. Not really cool yet until we get Thursday. And then finally that front is going to come through. And here comes the cooler air as we go into the weekend. And that's much cooler than normal. So temperatures, we're talking now 10 degrees below normal. We're talking 60s, nighttime lows in the 40s, maybe even a little bit chillier. We'll have to see. And then it kind of just sticks around with this cooler trough along the coast. Doesn't mean super cool, but it doesn't mean that it's going to warm up much either. We do have a few flashes here and there, but we're so far off now. This is way out before we see a warmth kind of return. It is similar with the European show. I'm not going to go into the European. I just want to kind of quickly show what's happening overall in the weather for us. And again, let's just go with what the National Weather Service or the Weather Prediction Center is showing for our precipitation output. So we go to the forecast, look at the rain, and we look at what they are showing for the next 7 days. We can see how much they expect. And, a half to maybe 3/4 of an inch of rain is what they're kind of expecting over the region. We really do need it. The drop continues. Anyway, have a great day. Spectacular day today. Warmer tomorrow and still nice, and then we will have to watch some unsettled weather as we head in later part of the week, and then the cooler looking pattern as we go into next week, and maybe wetter as we go into Saturday. We'll have to see. Anyway, have an awesome Monday and a great week. This is your Loudoun County Weather Outlook.